At the library. It was a quiet Wednesday afternoon. The sun was shining through the windows of the city, and Emma had just finished her classes at college. She had some homework to do, but she also wanted to find a new book to read. That's why she decided to go to the library. Emma, thinking I like the library. It's calm and peaceful. I can study there, and I can find interesting books. She put her notebook and a pen in her bag and started walking. The library was not far, just 10 minutes from her college. Arriving at the library. When Emma entered the library, she felt the familiar smell of old books. The place was big and quiet. Wooden shelves were full of books of every size and color. Some students were sitting at tables, reading or writing. Others were walking slowly, searching for books. At the entrance, a librarian sat at the desk. She was an older woman with glasses. Librarian, good afternoon. Do you need any help today? Emma, good afternoon. I would like to return this book. Librarian, of course. Let me check. Yes, everything is fine. Would you like to borrow another one? Emma, yes, please. I want something interesting, maybe a novel. Librarian, you can look in the fiction section, on the second floor. Emma, thank you very much. Searching for a book. Emma walked upstairs to the fiction section. There were hundreds of books. She slowly walked along the shelves, reading the titles. Emma, thinking so many choices. Adventure, romance, detective stories. Which one should I pick? A young man was standing nearby, also looking at the books. Emma, excuse me, do you know if there are any good mystery books here? Young man, yes, I just finished one yesterday. It's called The Silent House. Very interesting. Emma, thank you. I'll look for it. She found the book and opened it. The first page looked exciting. Emma, thinking yes, this is perfect. Studying at the library. Before borrowing the book, Emma decided to do some homework. She found an empty table near the window, sat down, and opened her notebook. The library was very quiet. She could only hear the sound of pages turning and pens writing. After a few minutes, her friend Tom came into the library. He looked surprised to see her. Tom, hey, Emma. What are you doing here? Emma, whispering hi, Tom. I'm doing my homework. Shoo, we must be quiet. Tom, whispering oh, right. Sorry. Can I sit with you? Emma, yes, of course. Tom sat down and opened his laptop. They studied together in silence. Sometimes they whispered a question or shared a smile, but they respected the quiet atmosphere. Asking the librarian for help. After 1 hour, Emma needed another book for her history project. She went to the librarian. Emma, excuse me, could you help me find a book about World War II? Librarian, of course. Please follow me. The librarian walked with Emma to the history section. She took a big book from the shelf. Librarian, this book is very popular with students. It has many pictures and clear explanations. Emma, perfect. Thank you so much. Emma carried the heavy book back to her table. Tom, wow, that book is huge. Emma, yes, but it will help me with my project. Taking a break. After 2 hours of studying, Emma and Tom felt tired. Emma, I need a break. Do you want to go to the library cafe? Tom, yes, great idea. They went downstairs to a small cafe inside the library. It was quiet too, but people were allowed to talk there. They ordered tea and small sandwiches. Tom, studying is easier when you have a friend. Emma, yes, I agree. And after this, I'll borrow my books and go home. Borrowing the books. When they finished their snack, Emma returned to the librarian's desk. Emma, I would like to borrow these 2 books, please. Librarian, do you have your library card? Emma, yes, here it is. Librarian, thank you. You must return the books in 2 weeks. Do you understand? Emma, yes, I understand. Librarian, good. Enjoy your reading. Emma, thank you. Goodbye. Going home. Emma and Tom left the library together. The sun was already setting, and the street lights were on. Tom, what book did you borrow? Emma, a mystery novel called The Silent House and a history book for my project. Tom, sounds good. Let me know if the novel is interesting. Emma, I will. See you tomorrow. They said goodbye, and Emma walked home with her books in her bag. She felt happy and calm after her productive day at the library. Reflection. That evening, Emma opened her diary. Today I went to the library. I returned a book, borrowed a new one, and studied with Tom. The library was quiet and peaceful. I learned new words in English: librarian, borrow, return, history section, fiction, library card. I love libraries, they are places of knowledge, calm, and discovery. She closed her diary and opened The Silent House. She read the first chapter before falling asleep.